Joe Rogan Podcast, check it out.
The Joe Rogan Experience.
Train by day, Joe Rogan Podcast by night, all day.
Welcome back, folks. Today's guest needs no introduction, but we're doing it anyway.
Yeah.
You ever notice how time just evaporates when you're deep in something? Like bow hunting, I'll go out before sunrise, blink, and suddenly it's dark, no food, no water, just flow, and then my knees are telling me I'm not 25.
Yeah, like in the 90s when I filmed 3 movies in the same day, didn't even change socks.
You're really putting that away, huh?
Hydration's key, Joe. Or maybe anti-key. Quick pause. Nature's calling.
Jamie, pull up the clock.
Sometimes I think my whole life's just a blooper reel, director's cut.
Maybe you've been on this show before in another timeline.
Yeah, no, gotta go again.
Agent No Shoot.
Wait, what? These the wing cams? Yeah.
What the hell are you talking about?
Met a guy in '87 who said I'd grow. Every time someone looked at me, I thought he meant metaphorically.
No, seriously. What the hell are you talking about? I don't get what you're talking about.
That toilet's not the same toilet, Joe. It's like it moves.
Janie, maybe pull up a total time. Milk meat tastes like victory in cold mornings.
I just ate a family-size lasagna with my hands.
You're not going to find the bathroom in there.
Reality's got layers. I'm just peeling.
This isn't Hot Ones, man.
And why is Sean Evans hiding behind your curtain? In some cultures, the bathroom is the only real room. Everything else is a waiting area.
I just wanted to talk about choices, not spatial philosophy and digestive expansion.
Mind if I just bring the toilet in here?
If it'll help you focus, Ron, I won't stop you. Just aim for dignity. Have you ever hunted your own reflection?
Only when it blinked first. Is this chocolate?
That's it. Jamie, cut it.
Wait, we're not done, right?
When the clock stops, so do you. Jamie, check the pee timer.
That's not possible. Looks like I just broke Liam Neeson's personal best.
He survived Schindler's List, Ron. This. You won't walk off.
Either I'm in 2 bathrooms at once, or I'm about to explode.
It's both. And you won't like which happens first.
Yeah, speaking of,
You leave that chair. It's over for all of us.
I need to, feels like the cameras just picked their villain.
They always do, right before the credits.
Yeah.
You just flushed the whole show, Ron.
I'm pretty sure I didn't pee in that. What happens at 0?
You won't see it. You'll be in the bathroom.
Was it you or...
Guess we'll never know. 2 to go.
Try the salmon. Yeah. Let me know on a scale of 1 to 10. Would Anthony Bourdain like this salmon or no? But you know you like.
Anthony Bourdain's always right. I don't want to hear any of this shit.
What? What'd you say?
Don't talk about Anthony Bourdain that way.
All right, Ron. Now you've already tried the pasta. Try the fish. Tell me how good the fish is.
Dude, this is everybody, man.
On a scale of 1 to 10, Ron.
You just eat that shit for free.
That looks good, that salmon. Where is it at? 1 to 10? 9.
Sad news in the world of adult films. Ron Jeremy's penis died yesterday at the age of 73. Services for the penis were held in Los Angeles earlier today. He is survived by his balls. Ron Jeremy's penis, we will miss you.
Ron Jeremy.
When you first see Ron Jeremy, you freeze.
You freeze up.
You think of Rock Hudson, you think of skinny people and shit.
Yeah.
You think of all those hoes, he busted the assholes. Yeah. And you're kind of hesitant to shake his hand.
Yeah.
And while you're shaking his hand, you're like, there better be Purell in the bathroom.
Yeah. He's a legend in his field.
He really is, man.
So, like, again, our music.
I can't wait till somebody says he sexually harassed him.
Really, nigga?